goes slower. See?
How come?
Faster. Oh, because it has a sensor.
Oh, there's a sensor there.
Yeah, sensor.
You add it?
Yeah.
Okay. So there's a sensor make the different, right?
Yeah, this.
Yeah. Mr. J, can you find 12 this? I think it's
That's yeah.
that's a 12. Really?
It's like King Kong, the movie. So this one here, Andrew, see? Like, remember the tilt sensor? And this is the motion sensor. Motion sees things, so it's got two eyes. This tilts, so it shows you the arrows going up and down, side and side. Very good. Very good.